In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Wix website with someone to edit. If you need another person to help manage your site, update content, or work on the design, Wix makes it easy to invite them as a collaborator instead of sharing your personal login. That's the safest and most professional way to give access, because each person gets their own permissions based on what they actually need to do. To get started, log into your Wix account and open the dashboard for the specific website you want to share. Make sure you are in the correct site before moving forward, especially if you manage more than one website under the same account. Once you are in the dashboard, look over to the menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down and click Settings. This is where Wix keeps the main account and site configuration options, including access controls for collaborators. Inside Settings, find the General section and click Roles and Permissions. This area lets you see who already has access to the site and what level of control they have. It's a good place to review permissions before inviting someone new. At the top of the page, click Invite Collaborators. This opens the invitation panel where you can add the person you want to give access to. Now enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Be sure the email is typed correctly, because this is where Wix will send the invitation. If T here is a typo, they may never receive it. After that, choose the role that best matches what they need to do on the website. This part is important because the role determines what they can access and edit. For example, Website Manager gives broad control to edit and manage the site, but it does not include sensitive billing or domain information. Website Designer is a better fit if the person only needs to work on the site's layout and content. If neither predefined option is exactly right, you can choose a custom role and manually select the exact permissions you want them to have. That gives you more control and helps avoid giving access to features they don't need. Once you've selected the right role, click Send Invites. Wix will email the collaborator with instructions to log in or create an account, accept the invitation, and start editing the site. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.